Hello friends, welcome to this channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can find your username as well as your password for the Twitter application, or X. Please subscribe to our channel, also put your likes, write your comments for sure, and let's get started. There are many times when we can forget our password or our username from the Twitter app when we log out and then we want to log back in. What do you do in such a situation if you forget any of these things? Don't worry, there is one reliable option where you can find your username and password for the Twitter application. So, for this, you will need to go to any web browser. I use Safari. Next, go to Google. Now you'll need to make sure that you're logged into your Google account. After that, you will click on it. Underneath the photo, you will see it says, Manage your account. You click on it. After your Google account loads, at the top above the photo, you will be able to swipe to see some menu sections, and you will need to find Security. You click on it. And now scroll to the very bottom of that section. And at the bottom, you'll find the Password Manager, and you'll need to click on Password Management. And this is where it will tell you the number of saved passwords in your Google account. I, for example, only have 17. You might have 50 or you might have 100 or even more. It's very individualized. And if you want to find a password or a username from some application, in our case Twitter, then you can just scroll through. But if you have a lot of passwords, then you just click in the search box where it says the number of your passwords. You click again at the top. And just write Twitter. As you can see, unfortunately, I don't have a Twitter account saved here at the moment, so I'm going to show you on Instagram what to do next. So, let's say you found Twitter, you click on it. Next, you will be asked to enter your Google account password. After that, you will be taken to a page where you will see that you will have Twitter or X here, and you will see your username and password. You can see the password by clicking on the I, or you can copy both, in order to insert your contact information, your login information for the Twitter app. That's the simple way to find your password and also your username to log in to the Twitter app if you suddenly forget it. I hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to write your comments and don't forget to give us your likes. See you later.